Here's our Uber driver. Did you have fun, Dave?
I'll wait until you're ready.
All right. One of the most convenient things about staying in Silva Bay is how easy it is to get around without moving the boat. The Gertie bus stops right at the Marina and takes us into the village, making it simple to pick up groceries, grab a coffee, and explore a little of Gabriola Island before heading back to the dock. The Gertie bus has a regular schedule posted on their website, and the village has everything a visiting boater could need. There's a Nestor's for groceries, a pharmacy, liquor store, hardware store, and the Gabe shop, one of the best little thrift stores I've found. If you're feeling hungry, Woodfire Bistro is always a favorite. Mad Rona's coffee bar is perfect for a latte, and of course there's an ice cream shop for the walk back to the bus stop. What are you doing there, Dave?
Well, it's making the waves and the fish jump. Really cool.
I love these seashells. Oh, look at these. I love those sail bags too.